Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we are working on a Toyota Yaris IA. This is a 2018. Alright, we're going to be changing spark plugs and we will start with popping the hood. Toyota Mazda Motor Corporation. Alright, let's remove this top cover. Put it off to the side. Spark plugs are located underneath these 4 coil packs, an 8mm socket. Start them one at a time. Put the screws off to the side. Coil pack pulls straight up. All right, if we take a peek down in there, you can see the spark plug. Now to get the spark plug out, they do make sockets specifically for removing spark plugs. And when this is the new spark plug, and when you plug over the spark plug, it holds it. It's got a little rubber grommet on the end. Unfortunately, these spark plugs are 14mm, and the smallest I have is 5/8. So today I'm going to be using a 14mm deep socket to remove and replace the spark plugs. I'm going to use a 6-inch 3/8" extension, and in combination with my 14mm socket, and we are going to remove this first spark plug. 6-inch extension gives you just enough room. Doesn't take much effort. Now, as you can see, the spark plug stayed in there, but now we can use a magnet, or we could use a pair of needle nose pliers. All right, so this first one, we're going to use our needle nose pliers. And just like that, it pulls right out. All right, we have our old spark plug. Looks like the old spark plugs were due for replacement. Time to install the new. I'll start it by hand, because that way, if it starts to feel tight, you know it is cross-threading and you do not want that. So I will thread it in by hand as far as I can go. Looks good. Right, we'll put a ratchet on it and we'll give it a good little tightening here. Until you start to feel it snug it up. Reinstall your coil pack. Notice we didn't even have to disconnect the electrical connector. Reinsert your screw. Tighten up your screw. Clean off that coil pack. That way you know that one is complete. Move on to the next one. Okay. All right, here are the old spark plugs. All right, so they've all been replaced. This really only takes about 5 minutes to replace the spark plugs, maybe 10 minutes. Give yourself 10 minutes. Give yourself another 10 minutes to get your tools out, get your car ready, put your tools away. All in all, 20 to 30 minutes, you can have your spark plugs replaced. So thank you for tuning in. If this video was helpful for you, give me that thumbs up. Please check out the content on my channel, and if you like it, please ring that bell. That way you can get notifications when I post something new. All right, I'll check you on the next video. Thanks.